the kid, copy. Got to. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, 100 pockets rotted, got it.
What's up, YouTube? So you know I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be putting on these wheel spacers today. I'm sitting in the car because it's like very windy outside and it's so cold. It's like 30 degrees out here. So I'm sitting in here doing the intro. When I get out there and put the wheel spacers on, I'm gonna be freezing my butt off. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm put these wheel spacers on. I got a 25mm spacer that I'm putting in the rear. Right now I have 20s on the rear. I'm gonna be moving those up front. Up front I have 15mm spacers on. I'm gonna take the 15s off. Have 20s up front, 25s in the back. Right now they are pretty flush, but I wanted to be sit a little bit more wider. I want the stands to look a bit more wider. I'm not gonna keep talking, you know, stay tuned and let's get into this. I have the 25s right here. Right now I'm gonna just open them up. Then I'm gonna jack the car up, take them off the rear.
The beat go off?
Like I said, these are 25mm. I got 20s on the back. I'm gonna take those off, put these on there, and move the ones from the back that's on the car right now, put them on the front. Right now on the front I have 15s. I'm gonna take the 15s off. All right, so this is what they look like on the front. They pretty flush. I just wanted them a little bit wider. And that's what they look like in the rear. I just got the wheel off. See it right there. The wheel in the back. It's pretty windy out there, so you won't be able to hear anything I'm saying. So I'm gonna just set the camera up right where I'm about to take the spacers off and everything. It's like real windy outside. And take that space off, then I'm gonna do the next side. And then yeah, I should be done with that. So that's what the 25mm spacers on. As you can see, it's a little bit more flush. So since I didn't get any like real good shots of the spacers on the car, that's what I'm gonna show y'all. But the thing is, after I put all the spacers on, I had put, you know, I had plastic dipped the wheels and stuff, so you're gonna see the wheels, they're gonna be black. Don't mind that. I did a video on me plastic dipping the wheels. It's not a how-to, but it's just a video of me doing it. Like I said, don't judge me putting plastic dip on the wheels. I said before that I was done with plastic dip, but I guess, man, I gave in and plastic dip them, and I think that's just because I want some new wheels, but I haven't found really what I wanted. All right, so this is with the 20mm spacers. As you can see, they stick out a little bit further. Please don't worry about my car. It's, you know, it's filthy right now. I need to clean it. There go the spoiler right there. Get a far shot. This is what it looks like. So man, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Check out my other videos and look out for more. I am out. Did I just that wasn't a dab. I went like that, so I didn't dab. I went like that. But I'm out. See y'all in the next video.